Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. In this video, I am going to take up some previous year questions and I'll show you the beauty of speed maths. The application is really important and the intention of making this video is to show you that the speed maths tricks actually work in the exams. Cracking multiple choice questions is a skill and those skills are to be developed by persistent efforts, and once you are good in the conceptual clarity is there, you are good in the concepts, everything starts working by itself. So let's apply the short tricks to crack multiple choice questions. And what short tricks we are talking about? We are talking about the short tricks given in the Ultimate Guide to Speed Maths. So I'll be telling you more about this Ultimate Guide to Speed Maths. This is volume 1 and we have the volume 2 also, and all these tricks, how smart they can make you, there are endless possibilities. So before I tell you about the book, I will first take up a question and I'll show you how beautifully the short tricks work. Here we have the first question. You can go through it. 45% of 280 minus 45% of 40 is equal to root x times 276 divided by 23. Oh, big calculation, right? And we have to find the value of x. Now, how many things we can do together in a single step? That is important. The first important thing is we have a 45% here and a 45% here. So we can actually take the 45% out as a common factor. So the question on the left hand side is just 45%. See, this is not to be written. I am writing it just to show you that this is the step we have to follow. So 45% of what? Now just subtract 280. Here we have minus sign, right? So 280 minus 40 is 240. So the left hand side is practically 45% of 240. And on the right hand side, we have a root x times 276 and divided by 23. Right. So 45%. So what should I do with this 45%? 45% is basically 45 upon 100, right? So I can actually comprehend one thing, that if I forget the percentage sign, I'll have to put a decimal 2 digits from the right hand side in this number. So 2.4. So I just have to do 45 times 24 using the Vedic math. So 5 4s are 20, 0, 2 carry. This is 10 and 16, 26 plus 2, 28, 8, right, 2 carry, and then this is 8 plus 2, 10, 1080, and we have a decimal, so this is 108. So on the left hand side we have 108. On the right hand side, 23 10 times is 230 and we are left with 46. So exactly 12 times, right? So 108 is root x times 12. 12 comes down here, cancels 108 9 times. So root x becomes 9. X becomes 9 square, that is 81, which is the answer for the question. Where is the correct option? A, B, C. Lot of things, which you can understand. When I solve questions here, you start thinking, oh, this is the way we actually have to think in the exam. And I tell you, 70% of the students will be calculating 45% of 280 separately and 45% of 40 separately. And that's where the trick is. They will spend double time. Instead of spending this much time, they will be spending this much time. And that is the difference between selection and non-selection. So friends, being smart is really, really important. And I'll tell you more questions in this video itself, how beautifully the tricks work. Next question is amazing. Just keep watching. In the meanwhile, just check this Ultimate Guide to Speed Maths, Volume 1 and Volume 2. These are the cover pages. This is the video links are there in the volume 1 also. And here in total, we have given 3,700 practice questions with answer key, with illustrations, with tips and tricks, with video links, everything that makes you smart. You can develop 10 times faster speed of calculations. Very easy language. Even school students are using this to crack Olympiads. Obviously at professional level, SSC, banking, railways, all things become so easy when you study all these things. So friends, get a copy of this, and Amazon links are given in the description here, or you can send me a direct message on WhatsApp if you have a doubt. 9896369963 is the WhatsApp number. So if you want to see a glimpse of this, I can show you the 2 volumes. This is volume 1 and this is volume 2. So beautiful collection, of short tricks, and this is the success behind, the toppers, right? So friends, let's see another question. Here you can see we have all sorts of squares, and now the squaring part is really important. So I have to do 82 square, I have to do 71 square, I have to do 34 square, right? Look at the speed now. 8 square 64, 2 square 04, 8 2s are 16, double 32, 7 square 49, 1 square 01, 7 1s are 7, double 14, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 3 4s are 12, double 24. Add 4 2 7 6, add 1 4 0 5, add 6 5 1 1. Look at this, all the three squares have been found out, and we have a minus sign and a minus sign here. So all you need to do is to subtract these numbers. And now another trick for subtracting the numbers. Would you be doing it by writing it one below the other? Not required. Watch. 6 minus 5 1, 1 minus 1 0, 7 minus 0 is 7, 7 minus 1 is 6, 2 minus 4 is minus 2, minus 2 minus 5 is minus 7. Oh, we have a minus 7. 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 minus 6 is minus 3. Borrow 1 from here, subtract this from 10. 10 minus 3, 7. So this becomes minus 8. Now borrow 1 from here, this becomes 10 minus 8, 2. And 6 becomes 5. So is 527 the answer? Yes, we have got the answer, and the B part, B option is the correct answer. So how many short tricks did I use here, and how much time can you save? Look at this squaring trick. I could find the squares of 3 numbers within hardly 10 seconds time. Very, very quick. And how did I add all these big numbers, add and subtract the numbers? By using the place value method, and everything is mentioned in this. Huge illustration, huge practice questions, and that's why I keep on saying to my friends, if you want to be smart, you need to read smart and study smart, practice smart. So friends, if you like this video, do share it with all your friends who are struggling in such concepts and who want to excel in mathematics. And practice is a must. And watch out for the next series of videos also, wherein I'll be taking lots and lots of previous year questions, and I will solve them and show you the application of these speed maths tricks. So you need to tell me in the comments below, is all these things working for you? All the best for the practice part.